Welcome to Fire Alarm System Training. Let's learn how these systems protect people, property, and operations.
Fire alarms are your first line of defense, detecting danger early and warning everyone to evacuate.
Alerts guide occupants quickly and safely to exits, reducing panic and speeding evacuation.
In this course, what systems do, key components, how they work, and how to maintain them.
Effective fire safety is a team effort. Technology, maintenance, procedures, and trained people.
A fire alarm system detects hazardous conditions and alerts occupants and responders.
Smoke and heat detectors provide early warning before conditions become life-threatening.
Notification appliances, horns, strobes, speakers deliver clear, unmistakable evacuation signals.
Systems can integrate with sprinklers, elevators, and doors to automate life safety responses.
Early detection and fast alerts save lives, minimize damage, and support business continuity.
Conventional systems group devices by zones, ideal for smaller, simpler buildings.
Addressable systems pinpoint exact device locations, improving diagnostics and response. Wireless systems simplify retrofits, less cabling, faster installation, flexible expansion.
Hybrid designs combine wired reliability with wireless flexibility for complex sites.
Voice evacuation systems deliver instructions, reducing confusion and speeding orderly egress.
Two-stage alarms, first alert, then evacuate. Useful in large or high occupancy buildings.
Aspirating detection samples air continuously, ideal for mission-critical or clean environments.
Beam smoke detectors cover wide open spaces, like warehouses and atriums.
Choose heat detector types based on environment, rate of rise, or fixed temperature. Match the system to the building's risk, size, and regulatory requirements. Match the system to the building's risk, size, and regulatory requirements. The control panel is the system's brain, monitoring, processing, and commanding responses.
Inside, processor boards, loop controllers, relays, and supervised power supplies. Loop cards expand capacity, connecting hundreds of addressable devices reliably. Primary power with battery backup ensures alarms operate during outages. Photoelectric smoke detectors excel at detecting smoldering fires.
Ionization detects flaming fires. Photoelectric detects smoldering. Choose appropriately.
Multi-sensor detectors improve accuracy while reducing nuisance alarms.
Rate of rise heat detectors respond to rapid temperature changes. Manual pull stations let occupants trigger alarms when danger is seen. Duct detectors shut down fans to prevent smoke from spreading through HVAC. Water flow and tamper switches report sprinkler activity and valve status. Horns provide audible alerts with distinctive temporal patterns.
Strobes offer visual alerts, critical for occupants with hearing impairments.
Speakers deliver tones and voice instructions for clear evacuation.
Sounder bases add local alarms directly beneath detectors.
Isolation modules protect the loop, isolating short circuits to maintain operation.
Monitor modules supervise external contacts for alarm and supervisory inputs. Control modules trigger outputs, doors, fans, dampers, and other life safety systems. Annunciators display alarm locations for quick situational awareness. Use supervised, fire-rated cabling and correct circuit classes for reliability. Now we study how it works. Detection triggers the panel, which decides and initiates notifications and control actions. Panels can verify signals to reduce false alarms before entering full alarm.
Systems report alarm, supervisory, and trouble conditions, each requiring different actions.
Zoned systems indicate areas. Addressable systems identify exact devices. Large sites may evacuate in phases, prioritizing highest risk areas first.
Monitoring services can notify responders automatically when alarms activate. Elevator recall prevents use during fires and directs cars to safe landings.
Door releases and smoke control systems limit smoke spread and maintain egress routes.
After an event, reset the system, verify conditions, and document actions.
Practice drills improve reaction time and build confidence during real emergencies.
Maintenance and testing. Perform routine checks, confirm normal status, and investigate any trouble signals.
Test initiating devices regularly and record outcomes for compliance.
Schedule annual inspections per local codes and recognize standards.
Test backup batteries under load. Replace if capacity falls below requirements.
Clean detectors and verify sensitivity to prevent false alarms and missed events. Maintain accurate records. Logs, tags, and reports support accountability. Diagnose faults quickly. Check wiring, modules, and configuration. Commission systems thoroughly, validating each programmed cause and effect.
Train staff to recognize signals, silence alarms appropriately, and call for help.
Safety tips and standards. Keep detectors unobstructed. Avoid locations near vents or fans that affect airflow.
Use heat detectors in kitchens to reduce false alarms from cooking. Place detectors in corridors and near sleeping areas for early warning. Follow local codes and authorities. Standards define installation and testing requirements.
Assess special hazards. Electrical rooms and storage may require enhanced detection.
Include visual alerts and accessible signage to support all occupants.
Ensure reliable power. Backup sources keep systems active during outages. Keep exits lit and clear. Good signage speeds evacuation.
Plan regular drills. Practice builds muscle memory and reduces panic.
Coordinate with local fire services. Share plans and access details.
Recap. Detect hazards. Alert occupants. Coordinate response, and maintain systems. Prioritize installation quality, regular testing, and thorough documentation. Work with certified professionals to design, install, and commission systems.
Schedule your next inspection now to stay compliant and safe.
Fire alarm systems save lives. Commit to ongoing safety today and every day.